Hello, hello. It's Chrissy Sawyer here, and I'm going to do Capricorn's reading for the last half of March. Capricorn, when I tuned into your energy, the message that I got was weathering the storm. So it looks like you're in some personal change at a foundational level. And I can feel the storm is it's not higher heart, it's under the throat. So it might be the words that got trapped or swallowed down. It's right down here. So it might serve you to do some throat chakra work. Okay. And the first card that came out, watch the new moon video, because that was 7 of Wands twice, and here we have 7 of Wands again. I actively hold true to my values, and that might be the storm. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised if the Tower card comes out in this. And I'm feeling quite nervous as I'm tuning into your energy. It's like the words I can hear is I've got so much to bring and I daren't and I don't know how to, and I'm ashamed and I'm shy and reluctant. It's all of that energy, just to pull it up and out. If you work with crystals, it's giving you garnet, which is interesting because when that cosmic wave came through over the weekend, if you watch the Ophiuchus bonus reading, that was all about this wave of energy that came in over the weekend, that was clearing some old karmic stuff, people reporting deep grief. It wasn't depression, it was this uber sadness, which is the breaking of the foundation of what you hold true to. And the crystal I reached for was garnet. In fact, bear with me. Okay. So this is my garnet. And that held me somewhere in the physical. It allowed me to stay in the physical in this great Ophiuchus galactic center, big energy that came through last weekend. Okay, so garnet will help you. So holding true to your values. As you find your place in the world. I am sure of my place in the world. Okay. So this is, again, earth energy. It is mastery, self-mastery of what you're, of where you are, who you are in the world, your identity. And it's giving you pyrite, which I just happen to have here. Pyrite is tremendously grounding and cleansing. It can just cut away the crap, that's hanging around in your energetic system. So pyrite and garnet, that's quite a powerful blend. Amazing that I've got those crystals to hand. Okay, so Capricorn, it looks like you're coming into mastery of your place in the world by holding true to your values, not deferring to anybody else's. Quite a powerful message for you. It feels quite serious. Okay, so how? Let's ask the how question. How can Capricorn best hold true to their values and find their place in the world? How can Capricorn? Okay. Oh, wow. This wand energy, it's amazing. 9 of Wands, and look, garnet again. I am strong for as long as I need to be strong. For as long as you need to be strong, on your terms, in your values, holding true. So I think what the message is giving you is a knowing to begin with, that A, you are strong, B, it's okay to be strong, and C, be strong on your own terms. That will create change in itself, on your own terms. Yellow calcite, solar plexus, mastery again of that wand. Watch the new moon video. It's all about the wand, plumbing the depths to find the wand. Coming from a really beautiful, masculine, creative, sunshine within, helping the seeds to open, which again is the change, the breaking open of the shell. And contacting the masculine energy within. Discernment. So 2 kings and a knight. You're coming into mastery. So the masculine discerns, discriminates, chooses, rather than has the choices made. So when you're true to your own values, you choose your battles carefully, on your terms, on your terms, not to serve any collective, not to serve any other paradigm, to serve your terms, your values. This is very you-centric. I like how clear this reading is. The new moon reading was, I don't know what I'm saying. It was very vague until the last minute. Wow. Trust. 7 of Pentacles brings you malachite. Sorry. Knight of Swords brings you ametrine, which is where amethyst turns to citrine. They call it ametrine, and it's half gold, half amethyst colour, half this colour. It's a beautiful stone. So I suppose you could say that could be the stone of discernment between the intuitive self and the fire masculine sword, passion. Okay, the discrimination to choose your battles carefully. Malachite is, well, it's an energy clearer. It can hold shadow. I'll have to check it, but I believe malachite is one of those stones that never needs cleansing, but check that. So my question to you, Capricorns, might be, what are your ideas and what is your direction? Because this is a very pointed reading. If you're holding true to your values and mastering your place in the world, being strong, successful, choosing your battles with discernment, then you're moving into a space where you can trust your ideas and your direction. But what are your ideas and your direction? Can you jot those down? Okay. Wow. It looks like you're rebuilding from the ground up, Caps. And no one better to do that. Capricorn energy is earth. It's beautifully stubborn and defiant and capable and resourceful. So use all of those values, they're with you. And let's have a beastie card. Let's have a wee beastie card. Final message, please, for Cappies. the last half of March. Final message, please, to Capricorn. Mm. Oh, wow. Taking time to heal. I believe Chiron is kicking around at the moment, so there is still these healing waves of energy. 5 is the number of dynamic change, creation, the pentagram, rebuilding from the ground up. Holding true to your values, okay? Ground up change for Capricorn because life is speeding up, okay? And there's a warning in there because this can't be done fast. If you're rebuilding from the ground up, be gentle with yourself, be very loving with yourself, very healing and holding with yourself, okay? I wish you all the luck and the strength and the trust and the wisdom. You're already coming from a successful place. Top banana. Well done, Cappies. All for now, and I'll see you again next month. Much love. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you soon. Bye.